Hi ladies and boys, ako si Gamay og welcome back again sa Ariston Channel. Og karon another confession na sad ang ako ang basahon. Pero before that, dagang salamat day kayo sa mga kanunay nga naglantaw, nag-share, nag-like, nag-comment sa tuang mga confession diari sa tuang channel. Og syempre sa wala pa naka-subscribe, palihog ko og subscribe og tuplok na lang pod sa notification bell aron updated mo kanunay. Ug unta na mo sa maayong kahimtang karon. Og karon ladies and boys, mga bay ug mga day ug mga higala. Ania na ang confession nga akong basahon karon. Hi bay, I'd like to share my story, but please hide my identity. Mayo untag na mo'y ma-learn from it. Ako di ay si Kara. Babae, somewhere in the land of hopes and dreams. Akong sugdan ang akong story. College ko na nagkailaming bao. Kaedad rami o classmates mi sa tanang subjects. Ang gwapo siya, mistizo, taas, bright, o very talented. All in one package na gyud ingon sa uban. Daghan kay siyag admirers from both genders. Kaso, way makalupig siyahang kasnap. Di siya managad, murag buta, bungol, o gamang. Permi siya ang topic sa mga tao. Pero ako, dad marajod, kay lisod me financially, so focus rajud ko sa studies. Then one time, nasayop siyang sulod og klase kay nagbaylog rooms ang prof, ano siya kabalo. Iyaha kong giduol og nanukmat. Ako siyang gidadma, hello, Dili mi friends. Pero after ato, o kabantay nga permi na mi nga tapad ini klase. Nagani time na sako ang kaprangka, ako siyang nasultian na ang mga tao nga gasigig story about him, ani ana pa jud ko na, uy, ingon sila nagwapo daw ka. Di ba wala pa ko'y botsyot? Wajud ko gaapas ani niya kay I know my place. Dili ko dato, di ko sosyal, hindi ko gwapa. In short, dili mi ka-level. Pero ambot ba ni niya nga sige man siya kuyog na ako. Pasagdan na sad na ako. Pero tabian jud siya kaayo kung kami mag-uban. Bisan sa klase sa ako ra siya makigistorya. Ang mga tao gaduda na. Napay mga panahon na naadyo'y mangutana nako kung kami ba. In a matter of weeks, nagdepen among friendship. Always tapat sa klase, always tabi as we change rooms or wait for prof. Always kuyog sa library and manawag pa siya sa boarding house after school. Wala na ako na-notice na weeks turn to months. Months to years and our friendship grow more. I knew a lot about him more than anyone in school. He had always been a mystery in school. And it flattered me na sa tanang tao sa school, sa ako siya nakik-friends. Napay times na i-assign me groups and he would talk to the professor na ibalhin siya sa group where I belong. Napay times na ang profs na ay magtuyo i-make sure na magka-grupo or magka-partners me in activities. Kana po maklusan siya sa usa ka subject, so dapat di mi classmates, pero makapangita yun siya way to convince someone to back out. Mauna nga classmates jud mi permi. This made people wonder. Ang daghan sad nga naglagot na ako tungod ani. I often get random hate messages from numbers who sent him love messages. He was always by my side. Nahimo na ako siyang security blanket. I always felt safe pag kuyog mi. Bisag daghag hate eyes on me. Well, he told me once that I like you because you're not like other girls who throw themselves at me. He knew na I love books and chocolates, so permedyo ko niya tagaan. Usahay sa akong kalisod, pati textbooks, siya ang mupalit. People ask me if na-develop ba ko. To be honest, wala jud ko kabalo. Well, plastic ra siguro ko if mingon ko na wala no. Siguro na i-feelings na na-develop, pero wala lang na ako tagay o room to grow, kaya I was too focused on my goal to finish school. Daghan pa kong manghod na paeskwelahon. And also, I always remind myself of my place in life. Pero now last year, things changed. There was a time na we didn't talk to each other. Not a single word. We don't even look at each other in the eye. It was like that for months. He denied that there was something wrong, pero I noticed that it started katong wa ko ni Kuyog o class outing. He felt bad kay gitugtan ko sa kong parents but I still didn't go. I told him nga di lang nako feel. Pero deep inside, I was guarding my heart. Mahadlo ko. I tried meeting other people and making new friends until a common friend asked if kaya ba sa kong pride to approach him and be on speaking terms kay awkward daw ang silence between the two of us. We talked to everyone except to each other. I had time to put my guards down pero graduating na ko. Siya kay delayed kay nawadaan o gana ko no. We became friends again pero naputol na sad kay mo graduate na ko and I found a job in a place far from Cebu. We didn't have the time to say our goodbyes pero one time, out of the blue, I got a series of SMS from him. Ingon siya nga, I need to see you. I need to talk to you. I'm already perspiring heavily here. When are you coming back to Cebu? I need to talk to you personally. It is very important. No, I cannot text it to you. I need to talk to you in person about it. Motong gikulbaan ko pero kusog kayo akong sense of safety. Mahadlo ko kay di ko ready on whatever it is will tell me, ano sa pa, wa ko'y kwarta pang pliti pa Cebu. So I replied, I don't know. Dili na tingali ko mo balik og Cebu. So moto nga wala ako nakabalik kay no Wawards jud. Walay kwarta. Nya nganong ako man kunoy mo adto be? Ang pair ba di ay ang moduol sa barko? Then life went on. Sadly, wa na siya nagparamdam. Nawala na ang continuous text exchanges na walay sign-off. Kana ganing makatulgan na lang ang sumpayan pagkaugma. Sad man, pero family is lifer than biga. So nag-focus ko sa kong work. Then one day, niana akong landlady na there was a time na daw nangita na ako na gwapo. Wala daw ko kay nag-overtime ko. Wasa daw niya na pangutana sa ngalan kay na-overwhelmed daw siya sa kagwapo. Biskot, tadhana nga naman. Motong no choice, move on na sad. Di man sad tantong lonely. Naman say mga masaag ba pero lahi rajud sila kang bao. I gave one guy a chance and eventually naging kami. And then suddenly, nag-text si Bao nga nangutana kung anong na ako'y uyab na wa man daw ko niya gitagaan og permission. Ngana pa siya nga, don't ask me how I know because I have sources. So who is the lucky guy? Di man ko sure kung seryoso siya so ako radyo pong gitubag o pinajoke. Iya akong gi-invite on a trip to a foreign land. Charot. Pero kay naaman ko yung jowa, ako asyang gi-turn down. Nangayon na lang kong pasalubong pero iasad kong gi-turn down. Balsanay ang peg lang. Honestly guys, kani si jowa kay insecure ni sa friendship na mong bao. Pinagbawalan ko niya na makig-friends kong bao. Giambarguhan pa ko sa cellphone while ka-text na ako si bao. Pero kay independent woman bi ako, di ko ganahan nga pagbawalan ko sa kong friends who came before him. Di gani ko manglabot sa cellphone niyang friends. Eventually, nag-fade out ang relationship kaya I found out na nag-cheat si jowa. So while I was nursing a broken heart, number nga nag-text na ako. Di jud ko tig-tubay o ginana pero feeling na ako si Baoni. Ambot nga no, pero I just knew it. Ano adjud ko na sayop? After pila ka exchanges, wa siya kaantos ni amin siya na siya si Bao. Pero kutob raman siya diha guys eh. Paramdam paramdam radyot. Kung honest ko sa kong self, ma-feel na ko ang care pero di magud jud pwede na manukad ko sa inana lang. Di ta pwede mag-assume mga guys. Ako na siyang giina na, ako, bisan pag unsa ka obvious, I will not read in between the lines. Kailangan ni istorya sa ako jud kay di ko ganahan yung mag-assume. I know my worth and it is important na irespeto sa nasalaki. Ito bagra kog. Di ko kahibawo kung saon. Kilig kong sa kilig no. Pero girls, di man sa tantong papresyo, pero miana akong papa, na ang respeto sa tao nimo is most of the time a reflection sa imong pagrespeto sa imong self. Anak ko dapat irespeto kong self para irespeto sad ko sa laki the way I feel I deserve to be respected. Na ako'y giset na standards and rules. Usa na ana ang old-fashioned na panguyab kanang magpakita, mag-express yung feelings, and moatubang sa kuwang parents. Papresyo na akong papresyo pero that's how I value my worth as a woman. Friends ra gihapon me and we constantly communicate pero someone unexpected came to my life. Ato lang ni siya nganlag beef. I hated him first kaya to me, perfectionist kayo siya. Pero I discovered a truly wonderful person behind the facade. Kung naaman ko'y checklist sa akong dream guy, dapat taas, may utingog, sporty, into music, and etc. Ma-perfect jud ni Bao and zero si Beef. And 1 point siguro si Beef kay lampas langit ng gabright. And opposite poles ni Beef, si bangi pero he still got the courage to express his intent to be in a relationship with me. Nagpiyong na lang good siya para lang ma-express iyang words properly. Inana ko ka-scary siguro. He also took effort to meet my parents and my family. He is a good man and my parents like him. Then one time, I told Bao that I needed to meet him in person kaya I have something very important to say. That meeting could have changed my life around if nakig-meet siya pero wala. Pero di yun siya makig-meet and he just told me to tell it to him through SMS. So I told him na Beef is asking for my hand in marriage. I thought he just congratulate me pero he keep asking questions na wa jud nako natubag og tarong until now. Nanguta na siya, why him? Ako siyang itubag og because he respects the kind of friendship that you and I have. Nanguta na siya, what is in him? Make me understand. Why this soon? Pasabta ko. Think it through first. Funny kayo kay he thinks it was too soon and na-surprise siya na 4 years na mini Beef. Ang pilis ng panahon, diba? Di na ako siya matubag og tarong kaya ito na time blanco sad ko tungod sa iyahang mga questions. That was the reason why I wanted to see him sana. Because I think if he said no, then siguro wa na dayon. Instead, he just told me to go with him on a trip and after the trip na ko mag-decide. That was not what I needed to her. Also, I realized that Beef is too much of a good person to be hurt. This is not your typical love story, mga friends. Because I am not your typical girl. Bottom line, gusto nako na we girls would learn to know our worth. Let us not settle. Let us set our standards and know what it is we want so that we attract the right person for us. Ana pa man ni Lolo Paulo Coelho, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Para sa mga naibao silang kinabuhi, nasa words si Lolo Paulo Coelho para ninyo. Waiting is painful. Forgetting is painful. But not knowing which to do is the worst kind of suffering. So get on with life ta. Kay life is beautiful. So before I go, if you're wondering, yes, I married Beef and happily married me for almost 10 years na. Gahart-heart ra gihapon ko sa kakilig if mareminis na ko ang among love story ni Beef. Si Bao? He is still single and no plans daw of getting married, though he told me before to name my first child after him. But I didn't, of course. Friends ra gihapon me, but we haven't seen each other since the fateful day in years ago. Yes, in ana na kadugay. We did plan to meet a lot of times pero either siya or ako ang mag-cancel. Di pa may ready to face each other. So why Beef and not Bao? They are both special to me. O ay ko kung akong i-deny. The difference? I already know how life is without Bao. But I cannot imagine how it would be without Beef, and I wouldn't want to try. Ladies and boys, sumao ka na ang love and life story ni Kara.